banks can lock down with a lot of alarms and guards, but on motor speedways, on the other hand, are very much spread out and have a lot of space to do very bad things and have the next big bank robbery as well. Hi, my name is Jacob Dodd. This is Fast Cars and a Lot of Money. I am a junior at the University of Mount Union studying sports business with a minor in coaching and business administration. The whole point of this presentation and PowerPoint is to show you guys the risk that motor speedways have for their fans that are in attendance. Moving on, the problems with the motor speedways with these risks. Not having enough guards is one. Not enough cameras, and then also metal detectors. Most banks hold $150,000 from how much money can a bank hold on Wonderopolis. Bank robbery on the FBI site is 25% chance when motor speedways are a lot higher of a risk because there's so much more money. From how much money can a bank hold, motor speedways are actually listed in this, and they hold over 500,000 on a regular race day, such as Charlotte, Daytona, Talladega, or even Texas Motor Speedway. They needed more updated guards from Indianapolis Motor Speedway, from Security Sales and Integration on May 15th, 2018. Indianapolis Motor Speedway deployed a robot guard, meaning he has 5 cameras and he patrols the infield and the outfield. The outfield being where the stands are and the infield being where the pits and the press box is sometimes, or even the position tower. Now, the infield is usually not a place for fans at most raceways, but some raceways are big enough where they have miles and miles of track. So, Daytona, Talladega, Charlotte Motor Speedway, these are all tracks that have infields where you can park a camper and camp out that weekend. Now, having this robot guard at Indianapolis Motor Speedway is a big benefit for Indianapolis Motor Speedway and the fans, putting them at less risk. The security networks with cameras. You need to be able to see everybody in every blind spot. From Dirks B. and in Security Today, he states that Daytona International Speedway has more than 50 blind spots on its track. Now, that means a lot, having hundreds of thousands of people with at least $1 million worth of cash in revenue sitting on your track on that major race day. And they have minor events as well as concerts and dirt track events in the inside. They have a road course it's not just a circular track, it has a lot more things. They even have a lake inside Daytona. So, updating their cameras, having these people that are doing suspicious things and trying to steal or even getting in fights, that is a huge benefit, having more security cameras. Better metal detectors and gatekeepers. Now, from security plans in place at Charlotte Motor Speedway, at WCCB Charlotte, CW, which is a network and broadcast station, they state in their article that most people in Charlotte Motor Speedway, when they enter, they get checked through the metal detector or a gatekeeper with the super scanner or even just a regular metal detector. But when they exit, they do not get checked for what they are taking out. And then when they re-enter, if they do, they do not get checked again. So what stops them from going to their car, grabbing a weapon, or even a bomb or something dangerous and putting people in harm's way, not checking these people when they come back in? From bizjournals.com, speedways they're a great place to be. From the exciting car rattles that you get in the stands, or even just screaming at your favorite car going around the road course, or even a regular NASCAR event going in a circle. It's a place to relax. It's a place to let loose. You can scream your head off because most people don't hear you right next to you. But motor speedways have to stop thinking about the quick buck and update their systems. Hire enough people to cover the track and also do their job and keep people out of the risk that they are putting them in. Motor speedways have so much revenue and money that they need to update everything so people are not at risk, and they don't have to worry about that. They can worry about the race, they can worry about the enjoying themselves like they paid to do for that day. Thank you so much. I will be taking any questions at this time. Here are my citations.